Let's know how to calculate A, B, C, D and E values from these isometric drawings. To find the A value, here A value denotes only pipe length. So we have to minus the elbow center value and flange height value from total value. Here total value given, center of the pipe to flange face 3000 mm. Now need elbow center values and flange height values. These both values can get from manufacturer standard fittings dimension chart. You can download this chart, link given in video description. Let's calculate A value. Before calculation, we should know size of the pipe and fittings ratings. These details are given in bill of material column in isometric drawings. So based on given BOM for this drawing, item number 4, 8-inch pipe, item number 5, 8-inch elbow 90 degree, item number 13, 8-inch 150 rating. Already we discussed, to find the A value, we have to minus the elbow center value and flange height value from total value. Here total value 3000 mm. Take elbow center value and flange height value from dimension chart. So here 8-inch 90 degree elbow center value 305 mm and 8-inch 150 rating flange height 102 mm. So 3000 minus 407. So A value will get 2593 mm. Let's find B value. B denotes dimension of fittings center to center vertical length. So to know the B value, just minus lower elevation of the pipe value from higher elevation of the pipe value. So here higher elevation of the pipe value 2 meter 130 mm and lower elevation of the pipe value 1 meter. So minus the both value, we will get the B value 1 meter 130 mm. This is the height from the elbow center to downside elbow center. Let's know what is BOP elevation and TOP elevation. POP elevation denotes pipe elevation value taken from bottom of the pipe and TOP elevation denotes pipe elevation value taken from top of the pipe. If not mentioned TOP or MOP, it denotes center of the pipe elevation. Next, to know the C value, C denote elbow center to elbow center dimension. In this drawing, 823 mm mentioned from center to center value only. So C value also same 823 mm. So no need more calculations. Next, to find the D value, minus the item number 7 8-inch equal T center value and item number 9 8-inch 45 degree elbow center value from total length value. So here total length value 1988 mm. So we need the equal T center value and 45 degree elbow center value. Take this value from our chart. So here 8-inch equal T center value 178 mm and 8-inch 45 degree elbow center value 126 mm. So total 304. So we can minus from the total length value. So total length value 1988 mm minus 304. So D value 1684 mm. Next, to find the E value. E denotes dimension from joint to joint distance, means only pipe cut length. So already we discussed, to find the pipe cut length, we need total length center to center, but here total length not given. So first we need to find the center to center dimensions. So how to find this value? See this drawing, pipe travel in vertical rolling. Also rolling dimensions are given. So we can apply this value in Pythagoras theorem to know the total length travel dimensions. So here A and B value given. So we need C value. Apply A and B value in this formula. So C value 1018 mm means 1018 mm. So now we can find E value. Look this drawing, both end item number 9, 8-inch 45-degree elbow given. So minus both elbow center value from total length value 1018 mm. Take elbow center values from chart. So here 8-inch 45-degree elbow center value 126 mm. So both side we have the 45-degree elbow. So 126 plus 126 252 mm. So total length value 1018 minus 252. E value 766 mm. So finally we find all values from this isometric drawing used by fittings dimension chart. These chart values are only applicable for butt weld fittings and long radius elbows. If your drawing mentioned socket welded fitting types, you have refer another chart. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave your comments and share to your friends also. Bye.